Hello everyone. This week I'll be talking about recursion and also would want to give my response on the question, what are two potential pitfalls of using recursion? How could you overcome these challenges, either by using an alternative technique or by doing something to help the recursion? A method is said to be recursive when it references or calls itself with a progressively smaller input parameter as part of its definition. Recursion can lead to readable, elegant, and compact solutions to some of our problems. The major issue or pitfall of using recursion is that it can lead to performance degradation, and it can also lead to what we call stack overflow errors. As we progressively make calls, make function calls, the stack frames are put placed on the stack, and the more we make the calls, the bigger it gets. If there's a limit to the size of the stack, it could lead to the stack overflow errors. These issues could be tackled by using a technique called memoization, whereby instead of making unnecessary calls to the method, we could look them up. The initial results of some previous execution are stored and looked up and used instead of making unnecessary calls. Also, if the algorithm is not fast enough, especially if it is worse than big O of n square, the quadratic of quadratic complexity, we could instead convert a recursive method to use iterative solutions like using loops. Thank you.